My life. We're notifying viewers that. Okay, I'm the aftermath of Blizzard 2026. I don't have my gimbal on me. I just figured this has to be seen. This is the aftermath out here at City Line, Brooklyn. Queens is a few blocks that way. Everything was closed yesterday. Yes, there was a ban until noon, but from 9 p.m. Was it Sunday? 9 p.m. Sunday till noon yesterday. And business back as usual. Today, Tuesday, February 24th. And it's brick to top it all out here in New York. This is my first live or second on TikTok. I'm so disconnected. I'm not even sure. I think this is the first one. No. What does it say here? A little hair freezing. West Side, showing the aftermath of Blizzard 2026. My little frozen hands. I left my gloves. Again, if you're with me on YouTube, you know I do this. You forget my gloves. Keep getting new ones. Let's see how long I go without another pair today, because it is cold. We're invited to co-host. Do it again. This is my first live on here. I think I did one years ago, but I wasn't on here. They had if y'all remember when there was a problem with the China and ownership, and I don't know, I just got off. I thought it was canceling TikTok forever. So I'm back. If you like real New York in real time, make sure to add me. If you're doing stuff, I'm gonna add you back. Look at this. El Rey, don't sleep on El Rey. That's the best, one of the best in town. Emilio's down there closed down. A lot of stuff out here we had to leave, close down, move. Business is not as usual. I think a lot of places, because, not I think, I know a lot of places. I think it's because of the internet. I don't know. Hello to everyone. I don't see like is your name. Shout out to you. Who encouraged Share the live stream. Of course, if people want to see what it's looking like in Brooklyn right now at the aftermath of Blizzard 2026. Hace frío. Sí se habla español también. Be cozy in there. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's crazy out here. And where I'm about to take you, I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna get on that bus. It's here. Yeah, I'm getting on that bus. Let me see. It's not a bus. I can't read your name. I can't add you. I'm sorry. I did that once before. It was 2 languages. It was crazy. That was on YouTube. If you don't know, I'm also on YouTube, WhispersOfTaboo. And when we hang up here, I will be over there. In about an hour when I'm settled. This is crazy. Look at this, look at this. So narrow. Can't even get through. My lips chapped. I left my lip gloss. When I switch bags, it'd be detrimental to the beginning of my day. Girl things. Lady issues. Can we cross the street? Let's see how this goes. Look, I should steal this. Take it with me. I ain't gonna be cabbing it all day. I took some cabs today. It's crazy. Poppy want a little bit more. Ah! Oh. There's a car behind me. Because of the weather. Huh? No, thank you. Yeah, you trying to get me next. Leave me alone. I'm walking till I can't no more. And when I walk, I do these things. Now y'all know the mystery behind WhispersOfTaboo. And we gonna walk, we gonna do it live. Streets is watching and so am I. Alright, can we cross this here? The cars be doing what they want to do here. You know, I'm predominantly a non-driver. Well, I'm a non-driver, basically. But I know. And I'll be walking through here often throughout the years. It'd be crazy. This street right here, woo, it used to be mad exodus. And over there where I'm pointing to, going towards the school, what's that, transit. If you from Brooklyn, shout out to you. You already know where we at. In real time. This the aftermath. Everything back to business, back to normal. Get where you got to go or stay at home because it's a lot. Look at this. Yeah, I knew to get some gloves. This is foolish. Now my hand feel like one of these ice. Oh, here go the bus. Peace, love, blessings. I am so thankful you guys joined me today. But I gotta go. I gotta go. I'll be back. If I'm not back on here in an hour, I'll be back on YouTube. You are welcome. You're around the way, girl. Yeah, you hear. If you're a New Yorker, it is what it is. I know, right? Period. Them babies was mad going to school today. All right, later. We still on. This is funny. How do I get off? We still on, right? I don't know how to come off this live. This is so funny. Some viewers are just stopping by right from school. Salutations. La nueva distribución. And thank you for all the love.
This stop is Euclid Avenue and Pitkin Avenue.
I really appreciate you. Somebody tell me how to get off this live. How I get up off this live stream? This why people be doing this for 8 hours. We should stay on the bus. It's always a circus. Let's see what happens. What happens today? You know I'm New York for real. Alright, we on the bus. Cause I don't know how to get off the live stream. I was just showing y'all outside how it looked. It's crazy. Look, I was over here earlier too. Take this off my head. I'm hot. Remove
Next
what?
stop,
Background
Euclid Avenue
noise.
and Belmont Avenue.
I don't know how to do all that.
This stop is Euclid Avenue and
I
Belmont
like
Avenue.
this. The TikTok is my co-host and shit. Mute microphone.
Please exit through the rear
Remove
door.
background noise. Alright. TikTok said remove the
Next
background
stop,
noise.
Euclid Avenue and Sutter Avenue.
Alright. Where we at? Y'all know where we at?
This stop is Euclid Avenue and Sutter Avenue.
She just said where we at. East New York. Let's see the people. Legendary, depending on who you ask. Love, shout outs, everybody. Alright, TikTok notify people. I don't know if y'all still here. I don't know how to work. This is my first time live on TikTok recently.
Next stop, Euclid Avenue and Blake
We
Avenue.
might have did this years ago. I'm really unsure. My regular is on YouTube. I got on live to show y'all what it was looking like
This stop is
outside
Euclid
on.
Avenue and
Now I'm on the bus feeling awkward on the live
please
stream.
exit through the rear door.
I don't want to lose the live stream. I don't know how to get off it. Hopefully nobody don't mind.
Next stop, Euclid Avenue and Dumont Avenue.
What's up, Dawn? Tom.
Euclid Avenue and Dumont Avenue.
What's up, Dawn? Tom.
This stop is Euclid Avenue and Dumont Avenue.
Thanks. I'm sorry, bees. I probably should have found out how to end the live stream. Looks like y'all coming all the way with me.
Please exit through the rear door.
I ain't gonna lie, I have been planning. I said, let me see if I could do a few, you know, an
Next
hour,
stop,
like, not an
Euclid
hour, I
Avenue
do
and
hours.
Linden Boulevard.
Look at this guy. It's real out here.
This stop is Euclid Avenue and
But I
Linden
was
Boulevard.
pondering the idea of being on live stream like a whole day. You know, a good 7 hours, 6 hours when possible. I ain't gotta focus on nothing but chill. And what I'm able to show. I got a flash gold dog. I'm not sure what that means yet, but I'm sure it's something nice. It's lit up all gifts in the gift gallery. Right? Windows. Hi from 0
Next stop,
degrees,
Linden
Fairbanks,
Boulevard and Euclid
Alaska.
Avenue. This stop is Linden
Ray
Boulevard and
Martinez,
Euclid
what's
Avenue.
up? Amanda, what's up? Yeah, you know what? It feel like, no, it don't feel like zero. You know,
Please
things
exit through the
happen
rear
to
door.
us. Like, I mean, happen for us, not to us.
Next stop.
Oh, they
Linden
took the
Boulevard
Dollar
and
Tree
Crescent
out.
Street.
Look, this used to be Dollar Tree. Fresh Market. Okay. The movie theater gone too over here. Love to the pink houses. Oh, I was saying,
This stop is
that
Linden
freezing
Boulevard and Crescent
degree
Street.
weather, that Arctic weather we had about 3 weeks ago, it prepared us for today and this blizzard now. Because it was so cold, and then it had the nerve to snow with the cold. When usually it just be warm. It'd be warm before the snow. Get a little cold with the snow. But it was Arctic.
Next stop, Linden Boulevard and Elm
So
Avenue.
today at 15, you know, we were able to hold it down. It went up though. It's like 24 degrees now. If I sound like I'm whispering, I'm trying to be respectful. I'm on
This
the
stop is Linden
Y'all
Boulevard
see me
and
on
Elm
the
Avenue.
We still eat at the Linden Diner. I love it.
Next stop, Eldert Lane and Linden
I ain't been
Boulevard.
there in a while though. I still would. I still do. Not in this snow though.
Please exit through the rear door.
I've been cooking up a storm. So if you guys are from my Twitter,
This stop is Eldert
you
Lane
know
and
that
Linden Boulevard.
me cooking up a storm translates to there's no lives. Hence all the eating out. You know, the schedule depends on eating out. You gonna get me every chance I get. And anytime I'm walking on feet, on foot, like, you know, mass transportation. So you could get a taste of New York. Some people moved out of New York, miss New York. Some people from New York can't get around for whatever reason. You know. And I'm here to showcase it all, like everything I can in real time, preferably. I make videos and then nobody don't mess with them. I'm like, what is this? 6 views, 5 views? Weird. Something about this live. You get people. A lot of this changed. A lot of new housing out here.
Next stop, Stanley Avenue.
It'd be nice to find out how they work out, what, like, you know, how the tenants and stuff like that.
This stop is Stanley Avenue.
I gotta get out of here, so I gotta learn how to get off this live stream. Peace, love, blessings. This time I am serious. I'm gonna try to get off this live stream. I don't know how to end it. That's why we're still here on the bus.
Next stop, Coastal Facility Road and Brooklyn Mail Facility.
And say pause live stream. Flip camera. Yeah, there's a flip camera. Shout out to you.
This stop is Coastal Facility Road and Brooklyn Mail Facility.
Yo, I don't know how to get off the thing. Remove background noise. I thought I did remove the background noise. Teach me how to go off live TikTok. What do I press?
Next stop, Stanley Avenue and Autumn Avenue.
I had literally flipped off in live.